pull. Okay, so I want to talk a minute about his shoes. This horse has slide plates on, and I want to show them to you, and I want to talk to you about what their purpose is. It's a smooth shoe. The nail holes are set so that they're practically flush, and it gives him a smooth surface to slide on. And I want to talk about why that is necessary for reining and cattle classes and a lot of working horses. You see this a lot in calf roping horses and other horses that need to stop quick and not be hard on their body. So when I ask him to stop, he's going to use his back end to stop and his front end to walk. You can teach him to slide really far like a reining horse, or you can teach him to get stopped short like you would want a calf roping horse to do. That's all in training. The shoe has little variances to it, but there's not a lot of difference. The reason that's important is when that horse is stopping with his back end and he keeps the front end free to walk, he's not jarring his front feet in the ground. It's going to help him prevent tendon injuries. It's going to help him prevent navicular, coffin bone injuries by keeping his front feet soft and keeping the back feet engaged. And you hear a lot of people talking about stifle problems and hock problems. Stifles up here, hocks down there. In reining horses, it can happen. If you stop a horse a whole lot, over and over, any repetition work is going to wear on the joints. No matter if you're stopping, jumping, racing, whatever, any repetitious work is going to be hard on the joints. Just the fact that he's sliding on his back end doesn't really stress the joints all that much, but a lot of repetitious work will. Another thing, a situation that we're dealing with one of my client's horses. Horse has an injury on the front end, going to be turned out to pasture, and maybe a year before it's brought back up and starts doing reining again. And we had the discussion about whether to put the slide plates or not over the year. And this horse, when she runs around in the pasture, she slides just like you just saw him slide on her own, just running around in the pasture. And if we were to pull her slide plates off now while she's recovering, that's going to change her stop. So instead of stopping on the back end like she's doing now, she'll end up starting to stop on the front end, which in turn is going to slow the recovery of what we're trying to heal in the front. So that's a little bit about slide plates, why they're essential, and how it makes the horse perform better, but it also helps the horse prevent injuries. If you want to see more about how those are made, I'll put a link to a video up top. I have a farrier that'll show you how to make those from scratch. Until next time, thank you for watching.